Logistics success is defined by moving goods smarter, faster, and more cost-effectively than competitors. That's where fleet analytics comes in. Fleet analytics turns your collective vehicle and driver data into powerful insights, helping you reduce operational costs by minimizing fuel consumption, avoiding unnecessary mileage, and predicting maintenance before breakdowns happen. Analyzing data from previous deliveries helps you improve your route planning, achieving better results in future deliveries and ensuring they will arrive when customers expect them. Safety and compliance is also covered. Fleet analytics monitors drivers' hours and behaviors along with vehicle health, generating audit-ready reports to help keep your operations safe. With clear dashboards and real-time metrics, you can make data-driven decisions, easily spotting underperforming resources, forecasting future needs, and improving efficiency across the board. Fleet analytics can also enhance the customer experience with real-time delivery tracking, accurate ETAs, and supporting flexible time windows, all while keeping your customers informed about their delivery. And let's not forget sustainability. By optimizing delivery routes and allocating low-emission vehicles where necessary, Fleet Analytics identifies and helps you reduce your carbon. Finally, these analytical tools are not just designed for analysts. With intuitive dashboards and mobile access, your whole team can work smarter and faster. Ready to put your fleet data to work? Discover how Descartes Fleet Analytics can transform your delivery operations.